Imagine a world where AI applications can instantly find the most relevant data among billions of entries. Vector databases make this possible, revolutionizing AI tasks like recommendation systems and chatbots with lightning-fast similarity searches. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Vector databases store high-dimensional data efficiently, enabling AI to perform complex tasks seamlessly. They transform how AI interacts with data, making processes like fraud detection and semantic search more effective and scalable. Vector databases encode data into numerical arrays known as embeddings. These embeddings are stored and indexed for quick retrieval, allowing AI models to perform rapid similarity searches using techniques like cosine similarity and Euclidean distance. By enhancing AI model workflows, vector databases streamline processes, reducing search times and improving response accuracy. This efficiency is crucial for real-time applications like chatbots and recommendation engines. Amazon OpenSearch with the KNN plugin offers semantic search capabilities, ideal for AI applications. Meanwhile, Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL with pgvector supports hybrid applications, combining structured and unstructured data for comprehensive AI solutions. DynamoDB's vector search provides scalable serverless solutions for AI-driven applications. These AWS services empower businesses to build next-gen applications, enhancing AI model performance and search accuracy. Evaluate your application's requirements to select the optimal AWS service. Consider factors like speed, scalability, and data type compatibility to ensure your AI models perform at their best. By leveraging AWS services, you can accelerate AI model performance and build cutting-edge applications. Start exploring AWS solutions today to transform your AI capabilities and stay ahead in the tech landscape.